The YZF R1M registered features a lightweight and compact crossplane crankshaft, inline-four-cylinder, 998cc high-output engine. Featuring titanium fracture split connecting rods, and offset cylinder block and magnesium covers, the motor delivers extremely high horsepower and a strong pulse of linear torque for outstanding performance, all wrapped in aerodynamic MotoGP registered style bodywork. The YZF R1M features the most advanced electronics package ever offered on a supersport machine, with the full suite of interrelated technologies that enable the rider to enjoy the fullest range of performance with greater comfort, control, and ease of operation than ever before. The YZF R1M features a no-lens registered electronic racing suspension, ERS, carbon fiber bodywork, and a communication control unit, CCU, with GPS that enables the rider to capture ride data and then download it via Wi-Fi to the Yamaha YZF smartphone and tablet app. Once the data is downloaded, the rider can analyze directly over the GPS track map. Setting changes can then be made via the YRC setting app and uploaded back to the R1M. The YZF R1M pioneered the use of the first 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, ever offered on a street-going motorcycle. The IMU consists of a gyro sensor that measures pitch, roll, and yaw, as well as an accelerometer that measures acceleration in the fore-aft, up-down, and right-left directions, all at a rate of 125 calculations per second. By calculating each signal, the IMU finds the precise vehicle position and movement, and communicates it to the ECU, enabling it to control the bike's systems. The YZF R1M is fully equipped with banking-sensitive traction control and unified ABS, as well as slide control, launch control, and more. For 2018, the quick shift system is updated to give both up and downshifting ability, automatically matching engine speed on downshifts for rapid clutchless shifts in either direction. The wheel lift control system is also refined for smoother intervention and improved forward drive. Advanced aluminum Delta box registered frame uses the engine as a stressed member of the chassis and is designed to provide optimum longitudinal, lateral and torsional rigidity balance. Fully adjustable suspension front and rear provides exceptional road holding and tunability. A 6-speed transmission features close ratio gearing to best match the high-revving engine. The transmission also stacks the input-output shafts to centralize mass and to keep the overall engine size shorter front to back, which optimizes engine placement in the frame for outstanding weight balance.